What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Moonbill Garage. Today, getting that 46RH back into the D100. Let's get to it. I gotta get these fans rolling. It's hot in here. Here you can see I pulled the flex plate off the back of the engine. That way I could line up my mounting holes, and that way when I'm under the truck, getting everything lined up is stupid simple. As you can see, it's a new shirt. I'm all cleaned up. Today's a new day. That thing, it tried to kill me. Let's just say that trying to install a transmission with nothing more or not much more than just a regular, regular floor jack can be just a little sketchy. So long story short, I had the transmission up behind the engine. I was trying to get the dowel pins to get everything lined up, and the transmission rolled off the floor jack. Luckily, it kind of wedged itself between the floor jack and the header, so it was kind of just hanging in space at like a 90-degree angle. So of course I had to figure out how to get it down, and yeah, luckily, fortunately, unfortunately, there's no footage of that. So there's no proof, but obviously the truck's back on the ground. I got it all sorted out, got everything installed, hooked up, fluid topped off, and you know, this thing, ran it for a while it was still on jacks, just to get the fluid cycling as it went through the gears. So this thing is now ready to go out for a test. Let's see how it does. That didn't quite go as planned. Overall, so the transmission ran fine, it seems. Shifted fine, no weird vibrations, no noises, nothing like that. But the thing is still running really warm. I don't know. But here's the weird thing. This is what's weird. I have my aux cooler here on a fan, and that fan is triggered by a thermostat. That thermostat is set to come on at about 185 or so. That fan is cycling. When I first pulled over to check things out, my temperature on the gauge was reading about 230, 220, 230. That wasn't on yet. When I stopped a little bit later, when the temp was, 240 or so, that was running. And that was running when I got home. So the fan is cycling on and off, which tells me the temperature right here is dropping to below the threshold to trigger that thermostat. So yeah, I'm kind of stumped. I have a couple of things that I want to try. I'm hoping this isn't going to come down to me pulling the overdrive section and rebuilding that, which is a possibility. Just because, like I said, even though the transmission itself looked like it had been recently rebuilt, was the overdrive rebuilt? I don't know. I can't. Without actually pulling it apart, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Leave some comments down below. What am I missing something? I'm stumped. Like I said, I have a few things I want to try. That's going to probably be another video because this one didn't quite go as planned. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit that bell. Again, leave me some comments. Let me know, am I missing something when it comes to why my trans temp is running so hot? And it seems to really heat up once in overdrive. which kind of from what I'm turning up in my research is making sense. But I'm stumped, guys. Let me know. Leave some comments down below. What am I missing? Again, appreciate you. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you on the next one.